Hello everyone, this is Matt with Storm Central. I want to do a quick update real quick on the time changes and the time updates for the storms tonight. Alright, we're going to go straight to the Weather Street clouds and precipitation move real quick. Looking at 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., that's where the storms start to set. Looking at Dubuque, Madison, Wisconsin, Milwaukee, all the way up to Sheboygan, all the way up to Ludington, Michigan, all seeing showers and thunderstorms starting right now. They will then firmly build as an 8 p.m. We're looking at Rockford, into Kenosha, maybe starting to get into portions of the Lake counties, stretching all the way down, definitely into basic possibly Quincy, Illinois areas. We're looking at Kalamazoo, Muskegon being under the rain issue as well. 11 p.m. This is where it will get strengthened as the Cape forecasts are very high. We're looking at very high Cape values for Chicagoland areas, so this will strengthen. And by 11 p.m., we're looking at 2-inch rainfalls, definitely for Chicagoland area with the reds and the yellows, as you can see on the chart to the right. This is looking at 11 p.m. This will be through the southern suburbs. By 2 a.m. this will start to weaken, but we're still looking at showers, thunderstorms, portions of Chicago. Looking at 5 a.m. Wednesday, this will start to get into portions of Ohio, into showers and thunderstorm activity into portions of Detroit areas, and then by 8 a.m. this is basically gone with some lingering showers and thunderstorm activity into Ohio. Let's go to the GR forecast real quick here. Turn on the model. Um, let's take a look. This is 3-hour forecast, 6 hours, and that's where that line will start to form. This is around taking it around 6 o'clock. 12 hours, looking at around 9 o'clock here. 15 hours here that will be going through Chicago. I'm saying between the hours of 8 and 11 with some lingering showers, thunderstorms after midnight here. 18 hours here, so it's a little different between models, but this is a NAM forecast. As you can see, some showers and thunderstorm activity in that extreme western parts of Ohio. Could be severe, could be not. This is going to be overnight, and then 21 hours also finally some lingering showers and thunderstorms into portions of Ohio that will run through 24 hours. It'd be around 4 to 5. Now we're going to take a look at the different model here. Let's go back and try time here. We're looking at 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. This is an hour display. Once again, we're looking at this one's saying around 7 o'clock up in Madison. You can see that line starting to form. This is a little closer. We're going to go closer in a minute. Davenport being under it. And we could see a little bow echo, the tail of bow echo, go through the Chicago immediate area here. There we, as you can see, just blobs and blobs of heavy rain, showers, thunderstorms. Definitely look probable right there. That's looking around 10 to 11 o'clock at night, and then overnight, 18 hours here, and then things will start to calm down. Alright, we're going to zoom in just because we have a lot of areas in Chicagoland area here. This is the model I'm going by basis most of the time. Looking at Peoria right there, we're going to move this upwards here so we can get most of the viewing area in. We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10 right there around 8 o'clock. As you can see, showers and thunderstorms. Let's back it up a little. 13 hours right there. Could be a little bow right there in Chicagoland area. And right there is where the heaviest comes through. That's looking 10 and 11 o'clock at night. Peoria actually could get into this now with the latest model showing this into Peoria areas and portions south. So one of the viewers that was asking, you could be in this too. We'll have to keep a close eye on this. 17 hours. Still raining. This could be a 2-hour to 3-hour event for Chicago. That's what I'm saying. 2 to 3 inches could be possible for in the Chicagoland area. 19 hours. This is all gone. This will all be gone by 1 a.m. tonight. We're looking at the main threats for this being damaging winds up to 80 miles an hour, hail up to 1 inch in diameter, could be localized 1 and 1.5 inches, and a little tornado threat. The higher north and east you go, we've seen some Cape Valley. Cape Valley is really high. Aside from that, instability is pretty high. But looking at shear, looking at the most shear being in this area here, Milwaukee, Sheboygan areas. So if you live anywhere north and east, more farther north and east you go, the more tornado threat it will be. We're looking at these brief tornado threats, QLCSs, which they like to hide in the little dog legs, as Dr. Forbes calls them. But I like to say that their little notches could be inward and outward notches here, where they like to hide in these little linear lines here. QLCS as they're called. Unusually, they produce brief rain-wrapped tornadoes here, which could be a threat farther north and east you go, especially into Michigan areas here, also by Muskegon. I have to keep a close eye on for tonight. We'll be up all night, I suppose, here. Once again, this is Matt with a quick update on timing. Thanks, and have a great night.